am Dr. Swashla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Struggling with infertility and undergoing treatment for it can be quite taxing. It is crucial to prioritize a stress-free mindset during these challenging times. Additionally, consuming some foods can help you in elevating your moods. Today, we are going to talk about 5 Indian foods that can elevate your mood with hormone levels as well. Incorporating certain Indian foods into your diet can help elevate mood and balance hormone levels. These foods are rich in nutrients that support brain health and hormone production. So, let's quickly look at 5 Indian foods that can boost your mood by promoting hormonal balance. The first is turmeric, also called as haldi. It has anti-inflammatory properties, contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It's good for brain function. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, and it has been shown to improve mood and cognitive function by increasing levels of brain-derived neurotropic factor, also called as BDNF, brain-derived neurotropic factor. How you can include this is not something strange for Indians. You can add it to curries, dals, vegetable dishes, drink it with milk, or you can add it to soups or sprinkle over roasted vegetables as well. The second superfood that can help you improve your mood are badam. They're rich in magnesium, and magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters that are crucial for mood. It has healthy fats, therefore provides good fatty acids that are important for brain health. How can you include? Well, you can have a handful of almonds as a snack. You can add chopped almonds to oats, yogurt or salads, or you can use the paste of almonds in curries or desserts like badam halwa. The third one is spinach or palak, green leafy vegetables. It is high in folate. Folate is essential for production of dopamine, which is a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. It is rich in magnesium, and magnesium helps in reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. How you can include is, for Indians it's very common to have palak paneer, saag or spinach curry. You can also add spinach to salads or smoothies and incorporate into dals, soups or parathas. The fourth superfood is yogurt or dahi as we know it. It has probiotics which support gut health, and that has been shown to be linked to better mood and mental health. Rich in calcium and vitamin D, these nutrients are important for brain function and mood regulation. I need not tell you how to include dahi. You can enjoy plain yogurt as a side dish with meals, or use yogurt in smoothies or as a base for raita. You can include in marinades for meats or vegetables as well. The fifth superfood is lentil or dal, all the kinds of dals which are available to us. High in proteins and fiber, dals help in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which can affect moods. They are also rich in folate and iron. Folate helps in production of serotonin, and iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood. Both these are very crucial mood elevators. How can you include it? Prepare traditional dals like tur dal, moong dal or masoor dal. Use them in soups, stews or salads. You can make dal based dishes like khichdi or dal parathas, etc. All these can help you in elevating your mood as well. Some additional tips: maintain a healthy diet or exercise regularly. Adequate sleep is also important, and hydration. All these combined with proper food intake can definitely help you in fighting the anxiety that is a part and parcel of infertility. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.